Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so joining isn't blocked at the gate. First, update the Meet app or browser tab, and then fully quit and relaunch to clear transient errors. Next, test your network by switching Wi-Fi or tethering to cellular. This tells you if the problem is local or ISP related. Finally, open system or browser settings and confirm camera and microphone permissions, and the correct default devices are selected so Meet can access them. Once those basics are set, move into targeted diagnosis to remove blockers. Clear cache and cookies and temporarily disable extensions. Ad blockers and privacy tools often interfere. If that doesn't help, open an incognito window or switch browsers to isolate profile issues. Make sure to restart your router and flush DNS to refresh network routes, and quickly review firewall or antivirus rules so Meet's ports and domains aren't being blocked by security software. To finish, apply fixes that resolve persistent faults and confirm success. Reinstall the Meet app or update your browser to the latest stable build, then try joining again. If you still can't join, test from another device or a guest account to determine whether it's account-related. If nothing changes, reboot your device, copy any error messages or logs, and attempt a fresh meeting link. This often clears stale tokens and sessions. If problems persist, contact support with your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.